Hello my dance friends, Robin Dyanick here to teach you Lonely Drum. This is a fun dance. This song is Lonely Drum by Goodvin. This one's been around for a while and it's been a favorite of country line dancers. So it's a 4-wall easy improver dance. I'm going this way. It actually is a counterclockwise rotation dance. So we start at wall 1, our next wall 2, wall 3. At the end of wall 3, there is a tag. Only happens once and it's very easy to hear, and then we restart. All right, so I'm going to teach it in sets of 8. It's 32 counts. So let's get started. Your weight's going to be on your left foot. You're going to start with stepping or stomping forward on your right and do 4 heel drops. Heel, 2, 3, 4. And then put your weight on that foot, and you're going to do a left toe heel stomp, a right toe heel stomp. Okay, so let's try that again. Your weight's on your left foot. You're going to heel, 2, 3, 4, toe heel stomp, toe heel stomp. Weight's now on your right. Okay, let's try that with counts. Ready? Your weight's on your left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, again, the weight is on your right foot. All right, let's move on to the second set of 8. You're going to step out with that left and make a quarter paddle turn to your right, so you're facing 3 o'clock. Then you're going to cross and cross. All right, so let's do that again. Weight's on your right. You're going to step out with the left, quarter turn, left, cross and cross. This section is a lot of quick little footwork, okay? So we make that quarter turn, cross and cross. You're going to step your right next to your left and a little hip, hip. It's very quick. If you have even time for that hip and hip, you're lucky. And then behind, out, over. Okay, let me show you this to the front as if we were facing the front wall. So it's quarter turn, cross and cross, step, hip, hip, behind, out, over. And the count on this is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. All right. Let's try it again to the side. All right, so weight was on your right, quarter turn, cross and cross, hip and hip, behind, out, over. Okay, let's put that together from the top. Ready, your weight's on the left foot. We start with those heel drops. So heel, 2, 3, 4, toe heel stomp, quarter turn, cross and cross step, hip and hip, behind, out, over. Okay, so when you do the behind, out, over, your weight should now be on the left foot. Again, I'm going to back up a little bit here. So now you're going to do toe and heel switches. You're going to do toe and toe, heel and heel. All right, so you're going to do right toe home, left toe home, right heel home, left heel home. All right, it's very quick. That's why they call them switches. So it's toe and toe, heel and heel, and you're going to walk forward. Walk, walk, and shuffle. I know I don't have a lot of room on my sides. All right, so let's try that again. Point and point, heel, and walk right, left, shuffle forward. All right, let's try that with counts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, shuffle 7 and 8. All right, that's 3/4 of the dance. Let's put it together from the top. Weights on that left foot again. We start with those heel drops. So right heel, 2, 3, 4, toe heel stomp, step a quarter turn, cross and cross step, hip and hip, behind, out, over, point and point, heel and walk, walk, shuffle forward on the right. All right, so now your weight's on your right foot. Our last set of 8, we're going to step forward on the left and pivot a half turn. And then we're going to shuffle forward again on the left. All right, so again, your weight was on your right. You step out left, pivot half, facing 9 o'clock. Shuffle forward on your left. You're going to step up to the right diagonal, big drag and clap. Step up to the left, drag and clap. All right, and there's a little whoop whoop you can do. You can kind of hear it in the background of the music. So sometimes the dancers like to do whoop whoop. I know, it's weird, but it's fun. All right. So let's do that set of 8 one more time. Our weight was on our right foot. We're going to step out with the left, pivot half, shuffle forward, and go up and up. Let's do that again with the count. You're going to step out 1, pivot 2, shuffle 3 and 4, go up 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. That's the whole dance. It's really not that hard. I think the hardest part is that second set of 8, okay? And you'll get it. So let's try it from the top. Ready? Our weight's going to be on our left foot. And we start with the heel drops. Ready? Heel, 2, 3, 4. Left toe, heel, stomp. Right toe, heel, stomp. Quarter turn. Cross and cross. Step hip and hip. Behind, out, over. Points and heels. Walk, walk, shuffle forward. Step forward, pivot, turn, shuffle forward, step up and up. Awesome. All right. Yeah, I'm a little tight with my side wall, so I'll back up. All right, so wall 2, you notice you're at 9 o'clock. This is the counterclockwise rotation dance. So wall 2, ready? Heels, 2, 3, 4. Toe, heel, stomp. Toe, heel, stomp. Quarter turn. Cross and cross, step hip and hip, behind, out, over, points and heels. Walk, walk, shuffle forward, step out left, pivot half, shuffle forward, step up to the diagonal clap, up diagonal clap. All right, trying to get all those words in there. All right, so we are facing the back wall now. This is wall 3. Okay, I think I mentioned wall 3 at the end has a tag, okay? So we're going to start with our heel drops. Ready? Heel, 2, 3, 4. Toe, heel, stomp. Toe, heel, stomp. Step forward, quarter turn. Cross and cross. Hip and hip. Behind, out, over. Point and point. Heel and heel. Walk, walk. Shuffle forward. Step out left, pivot half. Shuffle forward. Step up and up. All right, right here is where the tag is. Okay, so it seems a little weird because we were going around counterclockwise. So we just did 3 full walls. We're going to rock forward on the right, recover, shuffle back on the right, rock back on the left, recover on the right, shuffle forward. All right, it's an 8 count tag. So ready, we're going to rock 1, recover 2, 3 and 4, rock back 5, recover 6, forward 7 and 8. Okay, and then you restart the dance again from the beginning. All right, so let's do the tag and restart the dance. So rock, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, restart, heel, 2, 3, 4, toe, heel, stomp, step a quarter turn, cross and cross, hip and hip, behind, out, over, points and heels, and walk, walk, shuffle forward, pivot half, shuffle forward, and up, and up. Awesome. All right, so that is about it. If you'd like some practice, I'm going to go through all 4 walls without stopping with the tag. All right, so we're going to start with our weight on that left foot. Ready, heels, 2, 3, 4, left toe, heel, stomp, quarter turn, cross and cross, step hip and hip, behind, out, over, points and heels, and walk, walk, shuffle, step out left, pivot half, shuffle, step up and up. Heels, 2, 3, 4. Toe heel stomp, quarter turn, cross and cross, hip and hip, behind out over, points, and heels, and walk, walk, shuffle forward, step out left, pivot, half, shuffle forward, step up, and up. Heels, 2, 3, 4. Toe heel stomp, quarter turn, cross and cross, step hip and hip, behind out over, points, and heels, and walk, walk, shuffle, pivot, half, shuffle, step up, and up. Here's the tag, rock forward, recover, shuffle back, rock back, shuffle forward, walk forward, 2, 3, 4, toe heel stomp, quarter turn, cross and cross, hip and hip, behind out over, points, and heels, and walk, walk, shuffle, step out left, pivot, half, shuffle, and up, and up. All right, that is about it. If this video helps you, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. If you have any questions, you can put them in the comments and I'll respond as soon as I can. Have fun with the demo. All right. Here's the demo. Shuffle dancing with me.